Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to sublimate our skinny 22-ounce polar camels. These do come both in white and stainless steel. Let's get started. The items you will be needing is your transfer sheet, the polar camel, heat tape, and today we'll be doing them in the mug press. All right, first we're gonna put our transfer on. We're gonna remove the lid, and I'm just gonna position this nice and even on the top of the mug and then heat tape it down. Just because this is a quite long one, I'm gonna put 2 pieces on both sides. We're gonna be doing these in a geonite mug press. With these skinnies, you do not need to add additional green pad on the geonites. They fit great just as they are. All right, I'm gonna position this in the mug press. And I'll be doing these for 385 for 1:15. All right, we'll remove this and be very careful when removing that tape. And there you go, very easy to do. These also work great in a convection oven if you're gonna do a full wrap around the whole thing. One thing to remember when you're gonna use your shrink wrap is to move your artwork up just a little bit, because when you put that shrink wrap on it, and you can see how my paper kind of buckles a little bit, well, when it buckles, that won't give you the full sublimation. So with a full wrap, just lift your artwork up just a little bit and it's gonna turn out great. For more information about this product or any of our other products, call the number below or visit us on our website. Thanks for watching.